Hi, all of you, and today the topic we are discussing about the Karnaugh map. This Karnaugh map is developed in 1953 and it is used to simplify the Boolean algebraic expressions. We having three K maps, two variable K map and three variable K map and four variable K map. This K map is used to simplify the Boolean algebraic expressions. For the two variable K map, how many cells are there? Number of cells equal to 2 power n means 2 square, nothing but 4 cells. Here n is representing for the number of cells, number of variables. For two variable K map, we are representing two variables. Row side we are representing a variable and column side we are representing B variable, and we having combinations of 0 and 1. Row side we having 0 and 1 and column side also we having 0 and 1. For the three variable K map, here n equal to 3, 2 power n means 2 cube equal to total 8 cells. For the three variable K map, row side having a AB variables and column side having C variable. We having combinations of 0 0, 0 1, 1 1 and 1 0 representing in the row side, and column side we having 0 and 1. With these combinations we are identifying the three variable K map. In column side structure also having another three variable K map. We are representing in row side A variable and column side we having a BC. In column side combination of 0 0, 0 1, 1 1 and 1 0, and in column side we having 0 and 1. For four variable K map, we having n equal to 4, 2 power 4 means 2 power 4 equal to 16. Here 4 variables means AB and CD. In AB we are representing in the column side having combinations of 0 0, 0 1 and 1 1 and 1 0. And CD we having representing in the row side and combinations of 0 0, 0 1 and 1 1 and 1 0. Suppose we are identifying ABCD with the representing of 4 ones, 1 1 1 1. Identifying the particular ABCD in the by using 4 variable K map. Where it is, and checking the row side after 0 0, after 0 1 we are having 1 1. In the column side also we are having checking with combinations of 0 0, after 0 0 having 0 1, after 0 1 having 1 1. The joining cell of 1 1 and row side and column side and placing the 1 in the particular cell, that is we are identifying the representation of Boolean algebraic expression ABCD representing of 4 ones. The combinations 1 1 and 1 1, both AB and CD variables, we are placing the particular 1 in the particular combination, we are placing 1. In the same way we are representing the another variables ABCD 0 1 and 1 1 combination. In AB side we are identifying 0 1, where it is after 0 0, in column side we are having 0 1 combination, and in the row side we are having also after 0 0, after 0 1 having 1 1 combination. The combination 0 1 and 1 1, the placing the particular cell which is merged between the combination of 0 1 1 1 and placing the particular 1 in the merge cell. That is the help with the help of K map. Thank you all of you.